so I typically don't do reviews like this, but I actually just picked this up and I thought I'd do a quick first impressions, first test out review of this. This is the Shark FlexStyle hair tool. And I've always wanted one of the Dyson Airwraps or the Dyson hair dryers, but to be 100% honest, I just can't fathom spending $600 on something for my hair, especially to be 100% honest. I'm terrible at doing my hair. There's no way I need a $600 tool that I will probably, with my terrible skills, probably use 10% of. So kind of like eyeshadow. I'm just bad at it. So I don't deserve to have like a really expensive palette because I'm so bad at it. I just can't even use it. Anyway, when this came out, I think it retails for like $249. I thought I would give it a try, and it's like half the price, less than half the price of the Dyson Airwrap. So anyway, so doing my first impressions review, I did play with this a little bit yesterday, probably like 20 minutes, and I'm so impressed. So, and I will link to this below. It's an affiliate link, so it certainly helps me keep my channel independent. I'm not paid by Shark. I make nothing on this. I bought it with my own money versus all those other reviews out there where they probably were given most of them were given the product. So I don't have to say anything good or bad about them because they don't give me a penny. So anyway, if you link from it below, I really appreciate it. The money makes me independent. So, okay, so we've got this. So I did the package. There's 6 different extension tools that you can pick with this. I did the package where I only picked 3. I don't really need 6 different extensions, especially since I'm a fool when it comes to doing this stuff. So anyway, so I picked the Airwrap tools, which you get 2 of them. One of these turns the hair left, the other one turns the hair right. And then I also picked this extension for blowing your hair dry. And then I picked the 2 curling tools, which are I'm very intimidated by them, so I haven't tried them out yet. But anyway, so Shark, these work best when your hair is, they say, 80 to 90% dry. It's perfect. I shower at night to keep my hair a little dry. I put in a bun at night, and I wake up, and it's still just a touch damp. So it's perfect. So you can use this like a hair dryer. So you can do this. I think bend it. Hang on, let me figure it out. There's something you do to make this bend, but I don't know what it is. Anyway, whatever. It's supposed to bend. I don't know. This is my first time really messing with it, so I definitely don't want to break it. But anyway, okay. Well, whatever. It's supposed to bend and hair dry. I've got it plugged in, so there we go. The cord is really nice and long. I haven't even undone all the extensions to it. So, and they've got a little blue button on here. Apparently that's at the end of your curl. You're supposed to push this for 10 seconds because it cools the hair. And, oh, there we go. Okay. So there, then it's like a hair dryer, and it's kind of loud. Lincoln's scared of it still. And then you can put this one on. And you're really smoothing it out. Okay. Very cool. It's very loud. Lincoln doesn't like the sound of it, and I think cameraman's scared of it too. So anyway, so that's how it works as a hair dryer. The tools I love are these barrels, though. So you snap it into place. I'm going to pick up a piece of hair to curl. And it takes a little bit of time to get the hang of it totally. But with it, they sent alligator clips so you can hold the rest of your hair back if you wanted to. Like these. I don't know. Whatever. I don't really need those because I'm not that good at it. So, okay. So then I just pick up a piece of hair like I normally would. And then here's all the buttons. This is the on and off button. That's the heat. That's how strong it is. So I'm just going to turn it on. Then if you just grab your hair and just leave a little bit hanging out. Ready? You don't even have to turn it. It's perfect for people like me who don't know what they're doing. So you just let it sit for a minute or 2. At the end of it, do the little cold shot for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da-da-da-da! Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I mean, honestly, I could never do this myself. I have the beach waver. I love it. But this is just kind of something different. And you know what? If I shower in the morning, I can quickly dry my hair. I can use this to curl it, and I'm good to go. So anyway, I just find that so amazing. I don't know. That's why I never got the air wrap, because I'm sure I'd be impressed with it, and then I would be out $600 that I don't really have, because Ike's an expensive dog, man. Okay, so now I'm going to do my second little thing. I'm just going to do the exact same thing. Is it hanging out? There we go. You don't even have to twist it, just twist itself. So then after it's been on there for a minute, I'm going to hit the little button. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that fun? Okay, so now, there we go. So let me just quick curl the rest of my hair. And then cameraman will magically fast forward through it, and then I'll use the other barrel on the other side. Because somebody told me to use the one side so it spins this way, and then change it on the other side so it spins the other way. So it looks uniform. Lost my hairbrush, hang on. So now let's sit for a second. Perfect for people that shower at night. That hair is still a little damp in the morning. I'm going to hit the little cold button. Lost my hairbrush, hang on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so anyway, I don't know. Oh, hang on. There we go. So far so good. I definitely couldn't do that on my own. It's weird, you have to learn to trust it, to soak up, to grab onto your hair. I don't quite fully. That controls the heat, the red button, how hot it is. It's hot. I probably don't need to turn it off and on every time, but whatever. Just kind of in that habit now. I mean, it's something, I could never do this at home myself because I'm just bad at doing hair and makeup. I can do skincare, but not the rest. Okay, so now for the other side, I'm going to switch to the other barrel that goes right. This is the one that goes left. And there's a little unlock button. I think you just hit that. There we go. It just pulls out. There we go. So now this is the other way. I'm not super ambidextrous. That's a big word. I think I pronounced it right. Ambidextrous. I think the biggest thing is just having faith that it's going to grab your hair and trusting it. And yeah, once you get used to it, it's pretty easy. Okay, so now I've got this piece. See, did a good job there. I'm kind of nervous to mess with these. I haven't messed with them yet. Should I try one of them? I'm just afraid it's going to like snarl my hair up like when I was a kid. My mom would try and curl it with those things and it would get snarled in it and it would be a mess and she'd be cutting my hair off to make it work. I guess I'll try it. Okay, I haven't tried this one at all yet, so I don't even know. I guess we'll just try it. Okay, maybe I'll just, what should I do with this piece? I'm sure I just messed it up, but whatever. Okay. It's all the sake of a demonstration. Okay. Turn it on. See what the heck this piece does. I guess this is probably for straight hair, huh? But not really the look I'm going for. Unless I want to look like a mess and half my hair will be curled and half it won't be. Which is probably what I look like normally anyway, because I don't know what I'm doing half the time. Okay. Now I'm going back to this one to finish it. I probably should have started in the back. Yeah, I'm pretty certain I made a mess of it, but that's okay. There's one more piece left out of all of this. One more. Okay, let's see how I did. I think it looks pretty good for me, in my ability level. And the second time I'm using it, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to go with it. Anyway, so I'll certainly keep playing with these. Yeah, I don't know. I just have this feeling my hair is going to end up strapped to one of these. I'm not going to be able to get it off. I think I was scarred from my childhood. You know how many times I had my hair cut because of certain things? Like my brother, I had the He-Man Castle Grayskull, which had the slime or something. My brother took the slime and put it in my hair. And then my mom freaked out before she did anything. She just cut all the top of my hair off. And I swear for like 20 years, I had this one piece that would keep growing and sticking up. Then I'd cut it. Then I'd grow up and then stick out. Then I'd cut it. I swear I did that for like 20 years, up until like just probably recently. Anyway, my mom panicked instead of like thinking to rinse it out or do anything else. Her instinct was to get the scissors and cut. And then every school photo, I always had bangs, and my mom would always trim them before the picture day, and my bangs are always like crooked. They always look like a mess. Anyway, so for me, it was pretty good for not having any genetic skills in actually doing my hair. So, and I didn't really put any products in it either at all. There is no product. I just washed it, and yeah. Sometimes I'll use the Moroccan oil leave-in oil, but I didn't last night, and I think it does a pretty nice job. So, yeah, I'm impressed with it. I have to say, I'm impressed. And it's like half the price of the Dyson or less. So anyway, there we go. Those are my first impressions. Not free product, not from Shark. Bought it on my own. I'm impressed, and they didn't even give it to me. So I guess it says something about it. So, and you know what? If I hated it, I'd tell you too. So far, I'm impressed. I'm really loving it. So anyway, there we go. Interested? Any of your guys' thoughts? If you've picked it up or not, or if you tried the Dyson and you loved it or not. So if you haven't, I'm so jealous. One of these days I'll save up enough points at Ulta. But you know what? With this, I don't think I need it. I've got the hairdryer. I've got the tools. I mean, what else could I need? So anyway, there we go. Check out the link below. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.